Hello viewers, this hairstyle we're about to view now is a very simple and unique hairstyle. So as you see in this video, first I moisturize the hair and I spray the hair, I comb it. This is the extension braid I'm going to be using. I'm using just one. So I'm going to pat it straight down to the other side. Then when I'm done just like this, then I pat it straight down from this side also. So I'm going to add a little gel to it and comb it. Make sure I use my comb to brush it very well, to brush the edges very well to make it very smooth. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to be using rubber band, black rubber band to hold the hair. So I'm going to repeat this with every part of this hair. So when I'm done with this, I just have to straighten it. And this hairstyle is very easy. Even if you don't know how to make hairstyle, you can style this hairstyle, guys. It's easy to follow, and this hair didn't take me time at all. So in case you're looking for easy hairstyle to style your daughter, maybe your daughter is going to school and you are working, you're looking for a very easy hairstyle to make for your child. This should be an easy hairstyle. You might not make it long like I did with my daughter, but you can just like pat it this way, add a little gel, not too much, then brush it. If you want to use normal brush, which is hair brush, you can use, or you can use comb. So I'm going to be using both in this video, so you will know how to use it. In case you don't want to use normal comb, you can use hair brush. So, and if you like this video, please give me this video a thumbs up and also like and help us to share. So the reason I'm showing this part of me spraying it is when you are making your hair or you're making your child hair, when you almost get to the end, you notice like the hair kind of not that moist anymore, like the way when you newly moisturize it, the way it looks is no longer like that. So that's why you should always have spray close to you and spray the hair. If you look closely now, you see I'm using brush here, hair brush. I'm not using comb to brush the this last one. So I do it this way so you will know that you can use either hair brush or hair comb, whichever ways to give you the perfect result. So this is how I part the hair. So now I'm going to start weaving the hair. Each one I'm going to be doing it three. So the size you want to make, guys, is optional. You can either do it um big. What I'm trying to say is you can cut it, which is the extension braid you're going to add to it. You can either make it very large or make it tinier or make it the way just I made it. So if you notice how I made this hair, I waved her natural hair first for some time before I started adding extension braid to it. So if you look at the hair closely, it looks like as if it's a natural hair. There is no place you will know. You won't even notice I added hair extension to it. So this is the exactly what I was looking for. That is why I didn't have extension braid from the beginning because I wanted it to be that way. This is how I'm still going to continue until we are done with the hair. In case you also want to know how long it takes me to make this hair, check the description. I'll be listing everything there where you can read how long it takes me to make the hair. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you very much. So what I'm making now here is the last part. So I decided to skip some part because I wouldn't want the video to be too long. So that is why I skip some parts. So this is the last one. I'm going to show it how the tip looks like. So when I had, in case you don't understand, I added extension 3 times, which is each strand is carrying one extension braid. So after that, I'll be adding it just 3 times and once, and that's how till I finish it. I'm not adding any other hair anymore. So this is how I use till the end. So guys, if you see the product I'm using and you want to know or you want it, maybe the place where you are you can't get it, just contact me. I will buy it and I will send it to you. Or if you want me to also send you the link. I can also send it to you. But most of the things I'm using, I'm buying it in the shop. All right. And some of the hair, what's it called? Conditioner. I am making some myself too. So this is the end of this video. This is the end of this very one. You see the way I made it now. So we're gonna end it. So how I coil this hair is amazing. So I have this hairbrush, which if you notice, everybody that has this set have this hairbrush, which is the, so you remember. So the other part I trimmed it off and I use fire to burn it, so that I can be able to push out the hair when I'm done. So this is how I take the hair. Just as you are rolling it, make sure it's very tight. Roll it. As you are twisting your hand, make sure you are holding it very tight because I need a very tight coil. Guys, this hair is easy but unique and beautiful. So when I'm done rolling it, and make sure everything is there, in case your rolling is not holding well, you can use rubber band to hold the edge, which is the end. So when I'm done, instantly I'm going to be losing it. I'm not going to wait for it to cool because I'm going to be using one thing till then. You see the coil, guys, because it was tight, it's really fine. So this is how I'm going to repeat the process until I'm done. Don't forget to check the description of this video. You will see the product name that I used in this hair. So guys, this is the last one and this is how the hair turned out to be. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help us to share. Thank you so much and we hope to see you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now.